Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you Leonardo Train AI model. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Training a model in Leonardo AI is very easy. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to log in into our Leonardo AI account. And this is our Leonardo interface. Now at the left side, we are just going to scroll down and click on AI image generation. And we are just going to choose from our image generation here that we've done before. So we're just going to choose from them. So for me, I'm going to use this image because this is somehow perfect for me. So I'm going to use this one. Just download it. You can download it for free. And then okay, now after downloading, we are going to go to our left portion of our interface. And again, these are the tools that we are going to use for AI generation. So for the number of images, you can choose as to how many images as you want. But again, since we are not having any subscription plans in this website, there are somehow limited number of images. So as of now, we can only choose between 1 and 2. So we will opt for 2. And we're just going to leave this one as it is. And then in this image prompt, so you have an imaged image. In this part, you can only upload one picture. For image prompt, you can add more than 2 or 3 pictures. So we are going to at least upload 3. So we're going to click on this one. So I want to experiment on my model. So we are going to choose another image here from our image generation. So I'm just going to choose, let's say this one. So we are just going to attach this to we're just going to upload this one. So at this time, we are just going to use 2 images, and we are going to prompt the magic strength to, let's say, we're going to heighten this one. Here, so the number of images, we can change it into 4. And now let's try to generate. So by the way, in this prompt area here, it's basically just a description of what your AI will look like. So you can put anything that you want here. So as for me, I've indicated beautiful Filipino woman, heroine, warrior, classic, beauty, full shot, realistic, digital illustration, fantasy art, and young. So you can put any description or any keywords that you want. Right, so far this is what it has generated. Ooh, I kind of like this. She's pretty. She's feisty. I like it. But I think this one would be the best. She's very pretty. Oh, this is already perfect. I see something here. So there are 2 hands, but basically it's not really noticeable. We can work on that. So which one do you think is better here? So let's check on the other pictures. She looks fierce here. But I love this one. Don't you think so? A Filipino warrior, a heroine. After you've generated your AI here, you can download it right away. So it's just for free. Now this time we are going to adjust our prompt magic strength. So we're going to play. And for the image weight, I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to lessen the prompt magic strength. Okay, so this time we are going to just limit the number of images since again our token, we are going to spend tokens here for us to be able to generate. So the more number of images that you're going to generate, the more tokens that you will have to give or you will have to pay. So click generate. So I just want to show you the difference of playing our tools here. So as you can see here, our image weight is at 0.7 and our prompt magic strength is at 0.3. And this is the result. This one. Ooh. This is what's fascinating with AI. They're so pretty. They're so beautiful. This time we're going to play with our image weight. So we are going to maximize this one. And for the prompt magic strength, we are going to put it at 0.1. And let's try to generate. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty this time. I love this. But what happened to her face? Why is there a mustache? Hmm. So as you can see, there are different results when we try to adjust our tools here. So let's check this one. Now we're going to put our prompt magic strength maximum. Let's see. We're going to generate. It looks weird here. I think it's too bright and hmm. Okay, so there, this is what it looks like when we try to put our image weight and our prompt magic strength to the maximum. So there you go. That's how easy you can train an AI model in Leonardo. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!